If you have open garden space to fill with some shade, this plant is a perfect fit. If you don't have a lot of space, it stays happily even in a 20-liter container. Meet Phalsa. This is a South Asian fruiting shrub that's tough, tasty and totally native. It thrives in hot climates, needs little care but produces antioxidant-rich berries every summer. Let's see how we can grow this plant in a pot. First of all, start with an 18 by 12 inch container. I've been growing this plant in a 20-liter bucket for around a year. It saves space and very easy to move around my little rooftop garden. Use an organic nutrient-rich potting mix for this plant. I use 60% loam soil, 30% well-decomposed cow manure and 10% sand to prepare a well-balanced potting mix. Other than cow manure, you can use any well-aged manure. Worm castings and compost is also very safe to use. We can grow Phalsa from seeds or from a nursery sapling. I recommend a nursery sapling as it will mature and fruit a lot sooner. Plant them at the same depth they were in the nursery bags. After planting, place the pot in the most sunny place of your garden, where it can get at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Adequate sun exposure is very important for vigorous plant and much sweeter fruit. Keep the potting mix slightly moist all the time, as it has big leaves and evaporates moisture much faster than any other native fruit plants. In hot summer days, water it every day if the topsoil feels dry. Phalsa is a fast growing plant, so it needs fertilizer sooner than we can think of. Feed it with organic nutrients like worm castings, compost or any manure once a month during growing season. I use a fruit fertilizer mix that contains mustard cake, neem cake and bone meal in 2:1:1 ratio. It is an amazing pollinator friendly plant, so use only organic pest repellents and that too in the evening. Neem oil and chili garlic sprays will be good choice. Phalsa will start fruiting in 1 or 2 years. In early spring, flowers come from every node of the plant. After successful pollination, those yellow flowers turn orange and set small fruits. Unripe fruits are green and sour, but when matured, fruits turn deep purple. That's when they are the sweetest. After harvesting, prune it lightly to encourage more bushy growth and eventually it will produce more fruits next year. And that's how you grow Phalsa berries in a pot. Fresh, homegrown berries packed with flavor and antioxidants. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips on Gardening Escape. Thanks for watching. Stay fit and happy gardening.